what is happening in August? And for real, to me, August has been kind of whack, and I don't know if it's just me or if it's everyone, but I have talked to a couple people who only trade stocks, not Forex, and people who have been in the game like 20 years. And they say that actually August is one of the lowest volume months in the market, so it's very easy to be manipulated, and sometimes the setups are just not valid at all. And I'm going to go over a couple situations about how that literally happened to me last night. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And okay, so I remember I was going to, so yesterday I showed you guys EG how I was waiting on a retest right here and just a breakdown possibly. We'll check this out. So number one, we never got a retest, so I never entered. But we got this 4-hour massive bullish engulfing candle of like 10 4-hour bars, and so obviously that trade was invalid. So what pretty much had happened was it had broken down. I bet a bunch of people got caught in sells down here, and just right away it shot right back up. So sells were completely invalid at that point. Again, I never entered the trade, but I mean, even though this setup did look super solid, like it was going to happen, literally you never know what's going to happen in the market. So that's why it's so important to wait for the confirmation, so I wasn't in this trade. Again, literally this week I've only taken one trade, and that's EJ on Sunday night or Monday, I can't remember. So that is that. Tonight we have NZD red folder news and AUD red folder news. I think for AUD it's private capital, I'm pretty sure, or that's NZD. But either or, they're both red folder news. And wow, I didn't even see this. So EJ right now is retesting this trend line, and right here, EJ right now, what time is it? It's 4:20. Okay, 4:21 p.m. So we have a trend line down, one touch, two touch, right off that wick onto here, and a very small rejection. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Hanging man, I don't know if you call that a hanging man, but that if we get a rejection right here, I'm not going to take a trade probably till like 6 p.m., but this does look like a solid setup. So trend line, support, break, close back in, break back down. So this trend line is valid. So one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch. So this looks like it could head down more. So right here, and it is Wednesday, so that's usually when something is bound to happen. For me, at least, that's when I've Wednesday and Thursday, and actually, contrary to popular belief, Sunday night into Monday morning is one of my favorite times to trade. So EJ looks really good. We have 3 confirmations. We have actually only 2 right now. We have a trend line and we have a break and retest. So waiting on a candlestick confirmation or something. I would like a pin bar here. If we get a pin bar, a wick up, and a close back down, now that would be a confirmation for me. So we got EJ. Yay. So I'm probably going to stay away from NZD and AUD pairs tonight because of the red folder news. But what we do have is Euro NZD is still abiding this trend line, and it has been abiding it for a while. Right there, I think this is August 23rd, so only about a week, which isn't too long. it just seems like in August, I mean, look at this, like price has just been doing the same thing like the whole month. So it's very easy to get caught in the mouse trap. And I've like, whenever I was talking to the traders who've been trading for like 20, 30 years, you know, this is when people blow their accounts, because I mean, if you look at this is really just consolidating, it's accumulating, it's not trending at all, unless like you're taking a trade over here where it's touching the trend line. But for the most part in August, you know, most of these pairs have really not been trending, so it's really easy to get caught. So look at GJ, I mean, whole month of August it's been down here. So it's really important just to stick to your rules. If you have a break-even month, that's fine. I mean, I'd rather be in cash than be taking trades I'm really not sure of. And I personally am a huge trend trader, and whenever I just see this for the whole month of August, I mean, it's pretty obvious why, you know, August has been pretty stale. I think I've maybe done, I mean, last week I had a decent week, I did 8%. But for the whole month of August, I'm up like 1.5%, which is really nothing. It's better than losing, obviously, but the market has literally just been ranging, and I really don't think it's just me. There are some pairs that have, obviously there's been good setups, and I believe I have taken the setups I've seen, but sometimes, you know, like this month a lot, it seems like the trades that usually I will take that are winners, like, you know, in April, May, June, have easily just, you know, went the other way or just consolidated whenever I thought it was going to break out or something like that when I've had my confirmations. So that's what's going on. EA is still sitting at this zone. I would personally still possibly like to see the breakdown, but what we do have here now is a close back up on the daily. So I guess this whole day it was sitting here. Yeah, it was. It's really waiting for this red folder news tonight, so be prepared. I think this is going to move. I mean, it's going to at least hit this zone, or it's going to break. Something's going to happen for sure. I pretty much can guarantee, because it is a red folder news. So I'm pretty much going to end this video here. There really is not much going on right now at all that I personally see, and I'm thankful that other people are feeling the same way. If you're having a great month, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Don't let people thinking that the market is slow deter your results. But me personally, it's been a very slow month in the markets, and my results are very mediocre. But I'm just glad to be transparent with you guys. Really, I love making these YouTube videos. So comment what you guys want to see. What do you guys want to hear about my life? And I'm looking forward to your comments. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow.